So in this Keynote tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add a 3D line chart to a Keynote presentation. So once Keynote's opened up, what I'll do here is I'm just going to go ahead and add a new blank slide and delete this old one so it's a clean slate. Then go to the top, press on chart right here. Make sure that 3D is selected. So if 2D is selected just like this, just simply press on 3D. Then scroll down. If you're looking for a line chart, simply just scroll down to this bottom row to where there's these funky looking lines. Press on that. Now this is an example of a 3D line chart. So if you were to go ahead and move this around, you can kind of see the three dimensions of it. If you want to verify that you have the correct chart selected, press on the chart, go to the bottom right to where it says chart type. Make sure that 3D line right here has a check mark beside it. Once that is done, voila, there you go. You have your 3D line chart. So very straightforward, very simple. This is how to add a 3D line chart to a Keynote presentation. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.